Welcome back, students. So let's continue the next part of this chapter, Silk Road, which is written by Nick Middleton. Now, in the last video module, we have discussed a lot of things. In that, we have seen the way the narrator started journey towards Mount Kailash along with Saturn, that they were traveling by the car, Saturn's cars, which the narrator had hired. So now, coming to the next one. Now they were getting the heights now, gained the heights and valley sides closed in. Then the turns became sharper and the ride bumpier. Here, what is the meaning of bumpier? It means became rough. It means not comfortable. The way that they were gaining the heights, they gained the heights. Now turns became sharper and the ride bumpier. Saturn now in third gear. As we continue to climb, he changed the gear the way that when they started climbing. The track moved away from the icy river. They crossed icy river, laboring through steeper slopes that sported big rocks. Then they crossed the track moved that path from the icy river, laboring through somehow steeper slopes and sported big rocks that they found later on, big rocks docked with patches of bright orange lichen. Docked means here spread a sticky substance on the surface. This is what docked. And then big rocks docked with patches of, just like covering patches of bright orange lichen. Lichen means here a slow growing plant, a kind of a plant which grows on walls, trees and rocks. Clear? So this is what lichen. Beneath the rocks, hunks of snow. Hunks means large pieces. Hunks of snow, it means large pieces clung. Clung means here hold tightly on something. Something I wrote in brief. Snow clung on in the near permanent shed. I felt the pressure building up in my ears because they were climbing, so that's why they were gaining the height. So narrator felt that the pressure was building up in his ears and held the narrator's nose tight, held my nose, snorted and cleared them. Narrator held his nose, he snorted. Snorted means made a loud sound. It means when we breathe forcefully through the nostril there, that time the sound it creates, that sound is given here. Snorted and cleared them. We struggled round another tight bend and Saturn finally stopped. He had opened his door and jumped out of his seat. He came out. Saturn finally stopped, jumped out of the car and out of his seat. Before I realized what was going on, the narrator was new there, first time that he was climbing. So, and for Saturn it was a familiar thing. I realized what was going on. Snow, said Daniel as he too excited the vehicle, as he too that came out of the vehicle, Daniel, letting in a breath of cold air as he did so. So, a swath of the white stuff. Swath means here a large strip or area. A large strip or area. A swath, of the white stuff, just like a stone. White stuff object lay across the track. It was laying, the track had been blocked by that swath stuff. Lay across the track in front of the car, in front of us, stretching for maybe 15 meters. Before it petered out. Petered out means before it diminished. Petered out means to diminish. It means there was a large piece just of a snow there, just like a stone, which lay across the road, which that stuff had blocked the road. Now, before it petered out means to diminish, gradually and stop. Petered out and the dirt trail reappeared. The snow continued on either side of us. Both the sides, the snow was there, continued the track, smoothing the abrupt back on the upslope side. The bank was too steep. It was difficult for them to step. It was difficult for them to climb. For our vehicle to scale. Scale means to climb. It was difficult. So there was no way round the snow patch. But to avoid that snow patch, there was no way at all there. So that's why to scale, I joined Daniel as Satan stepped on to the encrusted snow. The narrator too joined Daniel while the Satan stepped his feet on the encrusted snow. Encrusted means here hard part of that snow that he stepped on it. Encrusted snow and began to slither and slide forward. Satan, Daniel and the narrator, the Satan specially he began to specially move that encrusted hard part of the snow, began to slither. Slither means to move that stuff and slide forward, stamping his foot from time to time to ascertain how sturdy it was. He was stamping his feet time to time to check how hard it was there. To ascertain how sturdy means how hard it was. I looked at my wristwatch. Then the narrator looked at his wristwatch and they were at 5,210 meters above sea level. When the narrator looked at his watch, that they were 5,210 meters above the sea level. They were climbing, gaining the heights. So this is what we have discussed in this video module. Now rest of the things we will continue in the next video module. Thank you, children.